This is Entoto Park.
They're tasting the drinks and then they're just in it.
So what you have guessed?
It's beer, but they want me to tell a specific kind of the beer.
So what
Is
you,
it fair?
so what do you suggest?
So this is halal beer, yes? Oh, thank you very much.
This has 0% alcohol. Welcome back to the Wheels and Wonders with Rumi.
Okay, good morning viewers. We are in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and today we're going to visit Entoto, where Saqi is having his farewell. So, and we will going to explore Entoto. And so, which area is this?
This is Hilton is on the right side, managed by the government. This is Ethiopia Park, Hilton.
Right now we are passing by Hilton Hotel and the Ethiopian Park view. In this video, we will take you along to explore Entoto Park in Addis, and you'll see some stunning views of Entoto Valley. We'll enjoy some local Ethiopian food and in traditional restaurant, and we're going to enjoy and have much more fun at Saqi's farewell gathering. So this is the Parliament area we are passing through.
Yeah, on this left is a big friendship park, they call it. This is a very big park here.
This is a friendship park.
Yes.
So we can go to the friendship.
So this one is Prime Minister's house, that one over there. Up. Now they have, basically we will cross on the back side from it.
The population of Addis Ababa is about 5 million, and you will amazed to know that this is the highest capital in the world. It's about 2,300 meters above the sea level. Ethiopia is one of the oldest countries in the world, with a history going back thousands of years. And it's known as the cradle of humankind. The fossil like Lucy, 3.2 million years old, was also discovered from here. यानी एक तहकीक के मुताबिक यहाँ पे लूसी नामी एक कदीम इंसानी ढांचा दरियाफ्त हुआ जो तकरीबन 32 लाख साल पुराना था. It's the home of diverse culture, 80 plus ethnic groups and 70 languages. यानी कि यहाँ पे 70 मुख्तलिफ ज़बानें बोली जाती हैं.
So you can see the green belts. I was saying that, the cycle track and walking tracks are all across Ethiopia. They are making.
So this is the city center of Addis Ababa.
Yeah, it is called Piazza.
Piazza.
Yes.
This is Piazza.
Piazza is coming from Italian name because Italians had.
Ethiopia is the only African country never been colonized except a brief Italian occupation.
Piazza is influenced by an Italian word.
Italian word. You see in Rome as well there are piazzas.
Piazzas. So why it is influenced by Romans?
Because Italians, if you see, had tried to colonize Ethiopia long time ago.
Okay.
And they were fighting wars against Romans and Italians, and Ethiopians were fighting war, and Ethiopians eventually did not let them colonize.
Oh, there is a very beautiful mosque. Approximately more than 31% of the population in Ethiopia is Muslim, and more than 500 mosques in only Addis, and 412 churches, a reminder of the city's deep spiritual roots and rich architectural heritage. And now we are entering in the valley of beautiful Entoto. This area is about 10 kilometers from Addis Ababa city center. And do you know this is even more higher than the Addis? It's 3,200 meters above the sea level. Now we are driving through this beautiful road surrounded by tall eucalyptus, जिसको उर्दू में सफेदे के दरख्त कहते हैं. These eucalyptus was originally brought to Ethiopia from Australia during the reign of Emperor Menelik II, late 1800s, to solve Addis Ababa's shortage of firewood and building timbers. Today, eucalyptus trees are everywhere around Addis and Entoto, giving the roads the very fresh and green looks.
So this is Entoto. It is biggest man-made forest, eucalyptus forest.
This is a man-made forest.
Yes, man-made eucalyptus forest.
Why are you saying man-made?
Yeah, because all the trees are planted.
Acha.
These were all cut. And then they put the new trees here. And all are eucalyptus trees. So it is one of the biggest man-made Entoto forest. Eucalyptus forest.
As we are driving along this scenic road towards Entoto, the fresh mountain air and the green eucalyptus trees make the journey truly refreshing.
जैसे मैं पैदल ही निकल के ऊपर आया।
चार्ली वाली जगह मतलब?
ये यहाँ पावर
And finally we reach the Entoto Park gate.
Giriftu.
Yeah.
Giriftu.
Now we are entering into the Entoto Park. The park covers approximately 1300 hectares, which is around 13 square kilometers, and it's full of eucalyptus. It gives an amazing, beautiful essence, aroma, and smell.
एंड ऑल दीज आर सफ़ेदे के दरख्त। ये एंटोटो पार्क है जहाँ पे सारे सफ़ेदे के दरख्त जो कि बाद में लगाए गए हैं। और क्या ख़ास बात है साकी इसकी?
This is a man-made eucalyptus park. It's called Entoto.
आज थोड़ी थोड़ी सनलाइट भी है, कभी बादल आ रहे हैं, रेनी सीजन है एडिस अबाबा का।
The name of the restaurant. Just tell me the name of the restaurant or that's it. Why are you telling me Gate Saluta, Tipurta, Fluta, Dilele? I would have come anyway. No,
Saqi is locating the place because he is lost somewhere for his farewell. Either his team is unable to understand him, or maybe he is unable to understand the location.
They don't want to walk and they thought that I should come as close as possible. Whereas I was saying I can walk. Please, don't tell me. They think that people should not walk because they hate walking.
Huh.
I would have come over there and would have been here.
What an efficient team he had. But now he is moving to Rome.
Okay, so this is a park and there is an Entoto resort, etc.
Saqi came from the gate number 4, long walk to the restaurant. Now he is realizing if he had entered from the other side, he could have parked right next to the restaurant. Anyways, that happens.
But they are taking the car inside. How they come?
Yes, the CD car has gone inside and why my car is gone out?
Ethiopia is also famous for its coffee. It's a home of coffee. You will find coffee shops everywhere around the city.
ये मुझे पता होगा।
चार्ली अगर छोड़े तो चार्ली अकेला भी आ सकता था वैसे।
नहीं, चार्ली यहाँ पहुँच जाता है। चार्ली यहाँ फिरता रहता है। He comes here, Charlie, for walk. He knows this place more than them.
But this looks very nice. Restaurant. Nice architect. I think it's a wooden structure, huh? What is the name of this?
This is the place. This is the prayer park they have to go. Very simple. Vijay restaurant का नाम बताओ. फलाना गेट ले लो, ये गेट.
This is the Entoto Park restaurant, I think. This is the name?
Yes, I could have come here.
So let's go inside and find out. I can hear some music. And they have nice arrangements. This is his team. There he is sitting. They have mostly local food. Oh my God. They have nice fine drinks. Yes, it's a travel camera. And how are you? You have a very nice restaurant. Huh?
My name is Saqi.
So this is halal beer. Yes. Oh, thank you very much.
It's a 0% alcohol.
There is halal beer. They have a halal beer here. Some nice. Now they have ordering the.
With or without?
So what will,
they can give separately, yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah, without
so what will be the food? What will be the food?
You're going to eat this
Chicken tips.
Chicken na chips.
And
Tips.
Chicken na
kitfo.
tips. Chicken na.
Yes. And kitfo?
Chicken na.
Not chicken na, chicken na.
Chicken na.
tips.
Chicken na. Chicken na. Oh my God.
Want to take pictures, You eat raw meat?
Yeah, anything which is local dish.
Come here.
Okay, so do you want the medium roasted the kitfo?
You will eat
Yeah, medium roasted. Medium roasted.
You will eat raw meat.
No, I will eat raw meat as well. I will eat raw meat. You want to eat raw meat? You should try.
Is it good?
It is good. We will have arake and then you will be fine.
अराकी क्या होता है? मैं नहीं खाऊंगा भाई raw meat.
नहीं raw meat अगर
Raw meat मैं नहीं खा सकता. कच्चा गोश्त मैं नहीं खा सकता यहाँ पर.
Raw meat you never live.
Excuse me. So no, what is raw meat?
I mean, like not very raw. It will be a bit stewed,
A bit what?
roasted.
Roasted, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh,
a bit
amazing. Hello.
Hi.
The restaurant is amazing, truly beautiful inside, designed with old heritage and cultural decor. It has a more fine wooden work, soothing lights, cozy and traditional atmosphere.
These spices.
Come here.
Yeah.
So the smarter they get, the smaller they get.
This is the GoPro. GoPro is for traveling, but it is very high resolution.
1 minute.
Oh, the celebration is about to start for the Saqi's farewell.
You go there and take that video. They are making eating raw food. Raw meat. Go.
This is mixed of
Kebab, rice,
rice,
and raw
vegetables.
meat. No raw meat.
Raw meat was
Special combo.
Raw meat. This one.
Yeah, this one's raw meat.
You eat it?
Yeah.
Like it?
Let me show you.
Very nice.
Everyone is enjoying the Ethiopian traditional food, and so as I. The injera, the berber spice mix, the tips salted beef, the kitfo, and especially the raw meat, which was delicious. The farewell party is just going on. Let me tell you, Entoto is more than just a hilltop. It's the historical birthplace of Addis Ababa. In the late 1800s, Emperor Menelik II and Empress Taitu made Entoto their royal seat before moving the capital down into the valley, which later became the Addis we know today. While we are about to enter into the most interesting part of the farewell today, Saqi is just about to order a mandi for his evening party.
We are ordering mandi.
ሌላ ቦታ ነው ይኸውልሽ ማየ እኛ ያለነው ሌላ ቦታ ነው ተመልሰን እንሄዳለን እና የሚወስደው ሰው አለ ለዛ አሁን ኦርደሮቹን ውሰጂና they will take it from the restaurant or they will
No, my driver will.
Amazing, beautiful place.
ቢኒያም የሚባል ሹፌር አለ መጥቶ ይወስዳል እኛ አሁን ኦርደራችንን ተቀበልን
Very lush
ስለዚህ
green
ኦርደሩን
rainforest.
ተቀበልን ሲደርስ ትነግሪናለሽ መጥቶ ይወስዳል
You can find amazing short coffees, cafes, and look at the weather. cloudy. It's always mostly raining here.
Now we are entering into the most interesting part of farewell.
So what they are playing?
They're tasting the drink and they're gussing.
They're tasting the drinks and then they are guessing it. So what you have guessed?
It's beer, but they want me to tell a specific type of the beer.
So what
Is
you
it fair?
so what you suggested? What do you tell?
Saint George's, I told them Saint George's, and they say it's not. So, you know, oh my God, they're recording me. So, you know, the first column is for alcoholic, and that one is for non-alcoholic.
For non-alcoholic.
Yes.
So let's see what she will say.
Yeah.
What was that?
She's wrong.
It's fun.
What you suggested?
No, I made a horrible mistake, I think.
It can be just as lean as a
What was that?
non-alcoholic.
Yes, you will drink it, you guess the drink.
What kind of alcohol
What kind
is
of
it?
drink is this?
Bira.
What beer? Of course beer. You can taste again.
If Saqi can't respond, I'm the winner.
Habesha.
No!
So I'm the winner, guys.
So what was that?
It was a little stronger. Taste was little stronger.
What was that?
It was a Castel beer, and I guess Habesha beer. Here comes alcoholic.
Oh my God! What is that?
She's a guest what? There.
It's water. Oh my God! Your taste
Do
buds
not
are gone.
disappoint me, otherwise we will cancel your experience certificate. What she said?
Starting.
My taste buds are gone. My taste buds are gone. We ate a lot of Lifu and chilies. There is nothing. Yeah, everybody finished it.
Everyone missing it. Wait a minute.
I knew it's beer.
It's beer.
The farewell party is over. It was full fun, laughter, and great memories. Everyone shared their thanks for amazing time together with all the coolies. They were the best team and best coolies and will be remembered forever. It's the end of a new beginning. The name of Addis Ababa means new flower, an Amharic local language, a reminder of city fresh beginning on these highlands. As we drive back down the Entoto Hill, the views are simply breathtaking. From here, the entire city of Addis Ababa stretches out below us, looking peaceful and full of life. the city lights glowing beautiful below. It has been a day full of memories, from scenic roads and cultural flavor to Saqi's farewell movements. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.